Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how you can use our extension to create a dynamic folder structure in WorkDrive. In this structure, a deal folder will be created inside its related contact folder. The contact folder will be stored inside the contacts module root folder. The contacts module root folder will be stored inside the Easy WorkDrive ext team folder. To achieve this structure, we need to use the dynamic root folder option. If the extension is already authenticated, you will see the module settings page. First, let's check the folder structure configured for the contacts module. Here, the contact record folders are created inside the contacts module root folder. If you click on the pencil icon, you can see that the contact folder ID is saved in the WorkDrive folder ID ext field whenever a contact record is created. Now, we need to configure the Deals module. Open the Deals module settings. Select Dynamic Root Folder. For the Dynamic Root Folder field, select Contact Name followed by WorkDrive folder ID ext. This means the WorkDrive folder ID stored in the related contact record will be used as the parent folder for the deal folder. If there is an existing folder structure, you can remove it and configure a new one. Now click on the pencil icon to configure the deal folder name. Press Shift and 3, then select the deal name field. This will create the folder using the name of the deal record. Next, select Yes when asked whether you want to save the new folder ID. Select the WorkDrive folder ID ext field from the Deals module. We do not need to generate an external share URL for this example. For now, leave it unchanged and click Save. Then, click Update to save the module settings. Now, let's test the configuration. Go to the Contacts module and create a new contact record. For this example, I will enter James as the last name, Head as the first name. Then click Save. After saving the record, check the timeline. You can see that the WorkDrive folder has been created successfully. You can view the folder from the Easy WorkDrive related list as well. Now, create a deal from this contact record. For this example, I will name the deal Deal 0001. Then click Save. Open the deal record and check the timeline. You can see that the deal folder has been created successfully. You can also view the folder from the Easy WorkDrive related list. Now, return to the contact record and refresh the Easy WorkDrive related list. Inside the Head James contact folder, you can see the Deal 0001 folder. If you open the same location in WorkDrive, you can see the complete folder hierarchy. The Contacts module root folder contains the Head James contact folder. Inside the Head James contact folder, the Deal 0001 folder has been created. This is how you can create a dynamic parent-child folder structure using Easy WorkDrive for Zoho CRM.